Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. This is ayahs number 65 from Surat al-Baqarah and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We are here. وَلَقَدْ. This is a dal, has a slight qalqala. وَلَقَدْ. وَلَقَدْ. علمتم الذين. This meme with a dhamma becomes mulladhina. This drops. We've done this multiple times, inshallah. If you haven't seen the previous videos, we cover a lot of this. علمتم الذين. Here we have a hamza before a ayn that has a sukoon. So we read it as alladhina. This drops. You're going to go straight into the sukoon over the ayn. وَلَقَدْ عَلِمْتُمُ الَّذِينَ اعْتَدَوْا مِنْكُمْ. This is a noon sakina, means it's a noon with a sukoon on top, followed by a kaf. This noon and kaf, because it's followed by that, will become minkum. Minkum. This is fi alif lam with a seen. You don't read the alif lam here. You would go straight into the seen. This is called huruf shamsiya. The huruf that you don't say al-sabt, you say as. Fi would be fi sabti. This ba has qalqala. So you would read it as minkum fi sabti, like that. Fi sabti. Faqulna. This is basic reading to remind you that if you want to read the Quran with perfection, this is something that takes a long time. And you need to read with a person live together so they can correct you and make sure you're reading correctly. I'm just helping basic reading for people to help you to figure out what it's basically saying. But to build tajweed rules, it takes a long time. فَقُلْنَا لَهُمْ كُونُوا. This waw extends the kaf here. Noon, waw, alif here. This waw extends that. لَهُمْ كُونُوا قِرَادَةً خَاسِئِينَ. Next ayah. فجعلناها نكالا لما. نكالا turns into نكالا لما because of the shad on the ya, on the lam. نكالا لما بين ba. Ya, that's a sukoon over the ya. Bayna yadayha. Ya, dal, both have fathas. Yada, the ya there has a sukoon. Yadayha. This is a ha followed by alif. Yadayha. Wama khalfaha. وما خلفها وموعظة موعظة turns into موعظة تل. You go straight into the lam here. موعظة للمتقين وموعظة للمتقين. موعظة للمتقين. We'll keep our lessons short, so inshallah we will see you in the next video shortly. Assalamu alaikum.